And traders, it's Jack. Gonna go over first just some levels that I saw in the futures that look to be necessary to hold, and unfortunately right now we are below them, so I don't know if it's gonna continue to puke. But anyways, I noticed this level 39, 33, 50 on the ES, the futures for the S&P 500. Anyways, I just thought it was kind of recent. Looked like, okay, we got to hold this for sure. Otherwise, we're going down to this next like 3,900 level, then probably down to the 3,800 level. And obviously, mind you, the futures prices are not always the same as the current S&P because it's the futures price. But and anyways, you can see it's these lines have importance. This line that I thought was just semi-important is actually much more important than that. So I looked farther back, and it goes all the way back to 2021, and you can see this downtrend with a little fake out here, rejection, 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 oops, and rejection. Well, yeah, it got rejected. And then hopefully we don't go down to retest this downtrend, which if we did, that's why all these analysts and everybody's saying 3,300, 3,200, because look right where if this were to follow this trend and continue to boom, 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 boom. Let's see. I'm just gonna right about here. 33.40. So I'm hoping it doesn't get to that point, because currently as I speak right now at 5:11 a.m. It's ES is at 39.2950. So we are already below that level. That's not what this video is about. This video is about Japan. So Japan had some crazy call volume, and I was interested because mainly the cool thing, so I'm a finance nerd, geek, whatever, and I love Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Leon Cooperman, those legends. So Berkshire Hathaway has five major holdings in Japan, and what's crazy about it is they're actually all holding companies. They're all sprawling holding companies. So they have operations ranging from like finance and real estate, insurance, that kind of stuff, to like energy and mining, manufacturing. So basically it's like they basically own Japan's economy. Well, part of it, obviously, not all of it. Don't get your aluminum foil hats out. The companies, I'm going to butcher these names, I'm sorry, but except for one, you'll know one. Itochu, Marubeni, Mitsubishi, Sumitomo. Sorry. So I'll put those in the comments so you can do your own DD and look into those. But I thought that was pretty interesting. So anyways, at the end of the day, these are taken at like 3:30. At the end of the day, I like to check to see who's playing what. Is there any weird activity? Just FYI, so I did this for FEZ. It went over 1,000%. I did this for OTLY. It went over 420%. I think it's still gonna go because it just got coverage. Melco, MLCO went over 100% the next day after I did the video. Grab, still waiting, but based on these results, it's going to happen. And then Cano failed, CANO failed. So I'll take 3 for 4 and one, well now two that could be potential hitters. So I do like these longer dated ETF ones because like FEZ, because that's a big safe bet. Well, it's a wild bet, but it's safer. You're not betting on one company. You're betting on a basket. So basically, they're just betting on all of Japan coming back. So so I saw 31,000 on EWJ. Just the iShares MSCI Japan ETF. So that's a 5,000% increase. I went to find it on the tape. No, I found it on the options chain. It was mainly in the $62 strike calls, expiring in 58 days. Well, now 57 for March 23. In one trade on this trade tape, right at, what is that, 220? They dropped to $500,000 on a bet that in 2 months we see a pretty good rip. You might be wondering what they saw, so I'll show you. Now, hopefully, if you've seen my previous videos and if you have a little bit of technical analysis in you, you see it. So I'll show you. So that's a classic inverse head and shoulders. That's what the people saw. Honestly, if I remember correctly, that's what FEZ was. And then you've got this beautiful golden cross, because that is the 50-day crossing through the 200-day, crossing up through. So, yep, let's see how this works out. Once again, you can reach me. There's a link tree in my bio. Feel free to reach out. These hit. I suggest following suit. I'm going to create a position today because these have been working for me. So, yep, have a good day. Take care.